To connect the TP Link N300 range extender via WPS, plug it into the power socket somewhere near your router, as close as it possible, and then wait for the power and wireless indicators to start glow solid green, like this. Then make sure that your router is connected to the internet and broadcasting Wi-Fi, and locate the the WPS button on the back panel of your router. Usually it's labeled, so you will easily find it. So press the WPS button on your router and then press the padlock button on your extender. You have to do it within 2 minutes. And now let's see what's going on. So my Wi-Fi is the name of this router's network. TP Link extender is the name of this extender's network. Now we see that RE LED signal is blinking. It means we are in process, and we need to wait until this full circle to start a glowing solid green, because the remaining part of the circle shows the strength of the signal, and we are close to the router, so the signal should be the strongest. Full circle. That's it. And now you see that TP Link extender network have disappeared. We should connect to my Wi-Fi 2.5 GHz EXT, because EXT stands for extender, and this is new network for this extender, and this network has the same password that our main router. So enter your password. I'm entering mine. Tap on save. And now you are connected to the Wi-Fi extender, and you can relocate the extender, unplug it here, and plug it back in somewhere in Wi-Fi dead zone, but of course within the router range. You can check the level of the signal. If the signal is weak, just move the extender closer to the router, and that's it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.